A block of mass 20 kg is tied to a string of length 2 meter and lifted till it becomes horizontal. Calculate number 1, kinetic energy and potential energy at point A. Now at point A, kinetic energy will be 0 because it is at rest. There is no motion, so velocity is equal to 0, and thus kinetic energy half mv squared will also be 0. Thus kinetic energy at point A is 0. Now potential energy, no work has been done because it is at the ground level, so the height of it is 0, and thus potential energy mgh will also be 0. Now second point, potential energy at point B. At point B, this block has been lifted to its greatest. So the potential energy is also maximum at point B, and the height is 2 meter. Here we will take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. So here the potential energy will be mass 20 into G 10 into 2 is equal to 400 joule. Thus at point B there is 400 joule of potential energy of this block. Number third, potential energy at point C, when it makes an angle of 30 degree with the vertical. At point C, some work has been done because the block has been lifted from this position to this position. So there is some potential energy. So we will find this distance. This is the height at which it has been raised. So we have to find this distance. It is given that OA is equal to OC is equal to 2 meter. And also we know that cos 30 degree is equal to OD, this OD by OC. Cos 30 degree is equal to 0.86 is equal to OD by 2 meter, or OD is equal to 1.72 meter. So this distance AD will be OA minus OD is equal to 2 meter minus 1.72 meter is equal to 0.28 meter. So 0.28 meter is the height to which the block is lifted when it is at angle of 30 degree. Now we have to find potential energy. Potential energy is equal to mgh. Here mass is equal to 20, G is equal to 10, and height is equal to 0.28 meter is equal to 56 joule. Thus at point C, potential energy is 56 joule when it makes an angle of 30 degree with the vertical.